Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing Distortions Unlimited Scary Carrie. Well, welcome. Let's get this thing open and take a look at her. So here she is. Hello, Scary Carrie. So this is actually foam latex painted to look like a dress. Her feet. She's a half prop, so she's flat. Lots of hair. So she's cool. Lots of detail on the face. Awesome eyes. Look at that mouth. Agony. She's in pain as she's transforming into a demon. Or was she already a demon to begin with? We may never know. So you can have her on the wall or you can have her upside down. So let's see what we could use to hang her. And there's really no mounting brackets, so it's going to be a matter of picking out maybe some wire, because you don't want to, I mean, you could drill into this. It just depends on how many years of use you want to get out of it. If you drill into it, it's not going to last as long. And if you wanted to, you could have her just like this, so it looks like she's crawling on the floor. Or expose her face. So Distortions always does it the best. So in the next videos you'll see her incorporated into this display that I'm working on right now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up. Tell me what you think about Scary Carrie. EG Scary. Out!